Calabasas Film Festival. The Calabasas Film Festival is an independent film festival that screens approximately 40 films each year. It is held in Calabasas, California, the Edwards Grand Palace, the Commons at Calabasas and Viewpoint School. It takes place over the course of a week in September. During the week of the festival, there are screenings, Q&As, and filmmaker workshops throughout. History. The festival is a non-profit based on student screenings and events that has major film premieres, student films, and documentaries. The inaugural Calabasas Film Festival was held in September 2014 and included the U.S. debut of the major film The Equalizer film starring. Film producers were in attendance and had a Q&A following the film's screening. In 2015, the festival welcomed Colin Hanks for his directorial debut of All Things Must Pass, the story about the rise and fall of Tower Records. Other screenings have included Marauder's 2016 film, starring Bruce Willis Manchild, The She Cotton Story, and The Birth of a Nation 2016 film directed and produced by Nate Parker.